night projects go. It's actually just putting the tanks back in. I just figured out that we don't really need to do the pipe system tonight, which would be a lot of work because it's a little tricky. But what we need to do is we need to put there's a little bit of plywood that sits below the tanks that needs to go back in. And I just asked Simon, like, oh, can you go into the midget hole and maybe grab the wood? And we found some, but somehow we couldn't find the other. And then he's like, possibly we put those below the lead? So the wood that we need is here, below like all the lead bars, there. Now, we don't have enough power to run my fine tool. The hand cutting saw is below all of this. So Simon's gonna tell you what we're gonna do now.
This is the option.
This is the third option. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't have anything to do, right? I mean, as in, you were looking for something. Alrighty-ho. Don't get me.
How far? Like, can you just put your hand in
probably,
and squeeze
That's
it out?
like,
It's worth it.
I know, we can try.
What happened here now?
It's like one chaos place moves to another. Oh my god, this is insane. This one is the one. It's a little hard to explain how I felt the last days. I think mostly I've been creeping around through the bilge, tracing water sources, and I think my nerves are a little like, I'm a bit out of it by now. There's always been like a little dabble of water here and a little dabble of water there, and they had always different reasons. Now, just before taking off, I found more salt water, and I was like, geez, really, we had just put everything back in. The not so good news is that there is some water coming in. It's like coming in from the side next to the wells. Possibly the area has been heated up, and I've talked to a guy that's writing his PhD about aluminum alloys, and he said it's probably crystalline corrosion, so it's like within the metal, and possibly maybe from the heating up it created something. But the good news is he said we can just epoxy it from the outside. So we're gonna go to Punta Chame, full dry, take the paint off, put some splash zone on, put the paint back on, and he said good to go to sail around the world. So let's do that.
And then once it's done, put that down, table down, and that's it.
Yeah, exactly. Sweet. We made it off the mooring. We had a bit of a crazy maneuver going to the fuel dock. There wasn't a lot of space, but it was a good test for the new crew and it worked pretty smooth. We didn't film because everything was like a little bit like last minute hectic, but now look at this! Off the mooring and sails up. Well, at least at Genoa, because we have the wind right from the back. But we're just sailing along the channel here. And once we're gonna set course further to the south to Taboga, we're gonna take up the main, and then we're gonna be there in no time. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset sail. So far there's no fuel smell in the bilge. It's the first time I filled up the tank since June, and now it's November. We're gonna enjoy this sail now. First sail on Karl.
Beautiful.
Oh, there's a buoy. Oh. Woohoo! Here comes the wind! Simon has a lot to do on his first day of sailing on Karl. Basically, we're doing like 120 on the wind. Our course is what, 175 more or less. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, the water tanks are leaking a bit from the pressure. Got it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now it's the red line on the bottom. Just throw these other ones down from the winch on the bottom. Throw those guys off the winch. Yep, exactly. Now put the red one, pull the red one through. Yeah, pull, 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 pull. 6 knots! Racing Karl!
Grab you a little muscle.
Oh my God, sunset sail!
It flakes on its own.
You can put it like left, right if you want to. Karl is gonna get white shadow. Seems that maybe something is stuck. What's our speed?
5'8".
5'8". Rock and roll. We're on our way from Taboga to Punta Chame, where we're gonna meet up with Mike and Maria and Rachel and Josh and some other people apparently. It's gonna be all fleet. Yeehaw! Told you the wind was gonna pick up. He's got a problem, you think?
I don't know, he's heading weird.
I think his genoa is stuck.
Yeah.
Ooh, sounds like a thunderstorm. Karl is loving this. 50 degrees, not too shabby, not too shabby. Oh, that's really cool, Barry, with a big storm behind him. Looks like Karl likes the new tiller, man. Ooh, 5 knots. Sailing totally upwind. Look at that beauty.
Dinner.
Oh my God. Nice job, Simon caught us dinner. It's blowing like sting.
Happy sailing!
Karl is doing super good. Everybody's gonna have a big piece of fish tonight. Hop, 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 hop. Yep. Nice, nice, nice. Well done, Simon.
Hello, Dad.
Oh, it's gonna be a close call, but I think Mike is gonna make it there first. He might be cheating though. He might be motor sailing. Woohoo! 1 more mile to go. So we're probably gonna go to starboard of them. Mike is just ahead of us. The wind is coming down now a little bit. Trying to take over in the last minute, but we're just gonna put the turbo on and not letting it happen. It's not with us. We didn't sail all the way just to be getting taken over in the last meter. Come on, girl. Back up. Yeah. That's it. Left or right to me. Nice. We're there. Oh man, this knife is so nice.
That looks really sweet. Nice meat.
That's a big chunk. Thank you, Mr. Fishy.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So huge.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's been such a long time that Jojo was anchored next to Karl. Like 3 years ago.
Why you do me like Joanna?
Joanna, Joanna, Joanna.
Why you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna, hey Joanna, Joanna, ay ay ay. Hey, why you gonna play me like Drogba? Why you gonna do me like Drogba? Oh, DJ Drogba. I love that. DJ Drogba. Joanna, your busy body busy.